Dear students, welcome to Dev's Academy. Today we are doing the last part of lines and angles. Just follow and watch the questions and their solution. The first question is saying, in the given figure AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of X, Y, Z. X, Y and Z. We have to find out the value of X, Y, Z with definite reason. We have to find it out. Now the solution. AB parallel CD and BC transversal. When two parallel straight lines are intersected by a transversal, the alternate angles becomes equal, the corresponding angle becomes equal, and the co-interior angles are supplementary. We have to follow these things. Now just see, angle B is alternate to C. Just see, B and this AB and CD are parallel. Then BC is transversal. This BC is transversal. Therefore, if this is 35 degree, angle DCB is 35 degree, that is alternate angle ABCX will also be 35 degree because they are alternate angles. Again in triangle, just see, this is 35 degree. Again in triangle, angle A equal to 75, this equal to 35, therefore Y. We know that angle B plus angle A plus angle Y equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle B means 35 degree, angle A means 75 degree, and Y equal to 180 degree. Therefore Y equal to 180 degree minus 35 plus 75. Minus 35 in bracket 35 plus 75, which is Y equal to 75 degree. Again AB parallel CD and AD is transversal. AB parallel CD and AD is transversal. This is given 75 degree. Angle A equal to alternate angle D. Angle A, this equal to alternate angle D, that is Z. Therefore, D equal to 75 degree, that is Z equal to 75 degree. From this we are getting A equal to 35 degree, B equal to 75 degree, and Z equal to 75 degree. This is all about this figure and this question. Next, in this given figure, it is given that AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, EF parallel to GH. This is EF, this is GH. They are also parallel. The symbol of parallel is arrowhead. Here is one arrowhead, each contains one arrowhead, and these two contain two arrowheads. That means EF parallel GH and AB parallel CD. We have to find the value of X, Y, Z and T. Just see X equal to, just see, I have given this title T. The name of this point is T. Now X equal to vertically opposite to this TRF, that is 60 degree. X equal to 60 degree. Again PR is parallel to QS and SQ is transversal. Therefore X equal to Y, because these are alternate angles. Therefore angle Y is alternate to angle X, that is also 60 degree. And angle CRP, just see, CRP and angle APR, they are co-interior angle. So they will be 180 degree. Sum of these two angles 180 degree. Therefore angle CRP will be 180 degree minus 170 degree, 110 degree, that is 70 degree. This equal to 70 degree. Angle R equal to 70 degree. Since R equal to 70 degree and this angle QSR equal to QSR equal to T equal to corresponding to CRP. So this will also be, angle T will be also 70 degree. And Z, just see Z is the alternate to, Z is alternate to this 70 degree. This T, Z is alternate to, this will be T. J is alternate to T. T. That is 70 degree. Z is also 70 degree. Therefore, x equal to 60 degree, y equal to 60 degree, T is 70 degree, and Z equal to 70 degree. Figure 3. Just see, in the given figure, AB parallel to CD. If angle BAO equal to 60 degree and OCD equal to 110 degree, then what is the measure of angle AOC? We have to find out the measure of angle AOC. They are given some answers. Out of this, we have to find out. It is multiple choice type. Just see, angle OEC equal to corresponding BAO. OEC, this angle is equal to corresponding this angle OAB. BAO. This is 60 degree, so this will also be 60 degree because they are corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are equal when the lines are parallel, because ED is parallel to AB and OA is transversal, so this is equal to 60 degree, that is also equal to 60 degree. And angle OCE, this will be equal to 70 degree because this is 110 degree and total angle is 180 degree, so 180 degree minus 110 degree, that is 70 degree. They are linear pair. This is known as linear pair. Therefore, angle AOC, this equal to 60, this equal to 70. Therefore, this will be total sum of three angles of any triangle equal to 180 degree. Therefore, it will be 180 degree minus 60 plus 70, that is 50 degree. This is answer. If you want to know angle AOC equal to 50 degree, that is angle C is answer, 50 degree. Now, this is also one multiple type question. In this given figure, angle OAB equal to 75 degree. OAB, this equal to 75 degree, it is given. Angle OBA, this equal to 55 degree. And angle OCD, this equal to 100 degree. Then we have to find out the measure of angle ODC. We have to find out. Just see, it is clear that angle AOB equal to vertically opposite angle COD. AOB equal to vertically COD. This is equal to this. So, this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be same equal to angle 100 degree plus this, because they are two triangles, and we know that the sum of three angles of any triangle equal to 180 degree. Therefore, since these two angles are vertically opposite angle, so sum of 75 plus 55 will be equal to 100 degree plus angle D. It is clear. Now in triangle, this is given. Angle COD and AOB, angle OCD, this angle plus ODC plus angle ODC plus angle COD, this is vertical opposite angle, equal to this angle AOB, this vertical angle and vertically opposite angle, and OAB, this is 75 degree, and OBA, which will be 55 degree. Since COD and OAB are equal because they are vertically opposite angle, therefore we have written here for COD we have written AOB, and this AOB and AOB will cancel themselves. They will be cancelled, and angle 100, this is 100 degrees, OCD equal to 100 degree, and we have to find out ODC plus this cancel out equal to 75 degree plus 55 degree. So angle ODC equal to 30 degree. The answer is C. This is answer. Angle ODC equal to, this is C. This is answer. C is the answer, 30 degree. It is. So we have finished lines and angles. That's all today. Thank you.